AI is revolutionizing healthcare, transforming diagnosis and treatment. It can detect diseases before symptoms appear, with laboratory tests influencing 70% of medical decisions. This sets the stage for exploring AI's role in medical imaging analysis, where precision surpasses human capabilities, aiding accurate and timely diagnosis. Artificial intelligence systems excel in interpreting medical images like X-rays, magnetic resonance imaging scans, and computed tomography scans, offering precision beyond human capabilities. This advancement ensures accurate and timely diagnoses, crucial for effective treatment. By leveraging artificial intelligence, healthcare professionals can detect subtle anomalies, enhancing diagnostic accuracy and patient outcomes. Algorithms process vast datasets beyond human capacity, enabling comprehensive patient data analysis. This enhances the speed and accuracy of medical insights, crucial for effective healthcare delivery. AI's ability to identify patterns invisible to the human eye is crucial for early disease detection. This enhances diagnostic accuracy and improves patient outcomes, paving the way for superior accuracy in symptom checking, where AI outperforms human physicians, highlighting its transformative potential in healthcare. AI's 71.6% accuracy in symptom checking surpasses human physicians, showcasing its potential to enhance diagnostic processes. This superior accuracy is pivotal in transforming healthcare, enabling more precise and timely interventions. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to revolutionize how we approach disease management, paving the way for pre-symptomatic diagnosis and proactive healthcare strategies. AI's role in pre-symptomatic diagnosis is transformative, predicting diseases before symptoms manifest. This proactive approach allows for early interventions, fundamentally shifting disease management. By identifying potential health issues early, AI enables healthcare systems to move from reactive to preventive care, enhancing patient outcomes and reducing long-term healthcare costs. AI-powered treatments revolutionize healthcare with personalized plans based on genetic profiles. Gene therapy targets genetic modifications to prevent diseases. Robotic surgery and nanotechnology offer precision and minimally invasive options, enhancing patient outcomes and reducing recovery times. Artificial intelligence optimizes healthcare systems by enhancing resource allocation, significantly reducing costs. With potential savings of $411 billion annually from preventing sleep disorders, this efficiency revolutionizes healthcare delivery. However, challenges like data requirements and integration issues must be addressed to ensure successful artificial intelligence adoption in healthcare systems. Implementing AI in healthcare presents challenges such as data requirements and integration issues. Ensuring algorithm transparency and maintaining human expertise are crucial for successful adoption. Addressing these challenges is essential to harness AI's full potential in transforming healthcare systems. Ethical considerations in AI healthcare are paramount. Protecting patient data while enabling AI analysis demands robust security measures. Ensuring equitable access to AI benefits across all populations, not just affluent areas, remains a significant challenge. Addressing these issues is crucial to prevent overdiagnosis and manage liability concerns effectively. Artificial intelligence enhances patient experience by reducing anxiety through less invasive treatments and personalized prevention. Early detection allows for gentler interventions with fewer side effects. Artificial intelligence-guided lifestyle recommendations improve quality of life, offering peace of mind and better health outcomes. Preparing for AI in healthcare demands increased research funding and professional training. Regulatory frameworks must address AI accuracy, liability, and ethics. Building partnerships between tech companies, healthcare providers, and research institutions is crucial. These steps ensure AI's transformative potential is realized, enhancing patient care and system efficiency.